Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to have you here, and if you aren't, then you already know I love you. I know a lot of my viewers are from a lot of my luxury handbag unboxings and reviews, so it's been about 1 year since I purchased my Louis Vuitton Petit Noe, and I just had to do an updated review for you. I just wanted to share with you what my thoughts are after having the bag for a year, if there's been anything I've come across that I don't like about it, if I would still purchase it again. So definitely stay tuned if you are looking to purchase this bag. I think this video will be very helpful, and if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel. Your support means so much to me. So let's jump to it. I currently have her still in the box in the dust bag. I haven't worn her in a while, so let's go ahead and open her up. I feel like she comes in a very large dust bag. Okay, so I'm really glad and happy that I brought her out right now because I feel like I forgot how much I loved this bag. But if I'm being 110% completely honest and truthful, I just have not worn this bag as much as I thought I would, or as much as I anticipated. I still think to this day she's gorgeous and worth the money that I paid for her, but I just personally have been so obsessed with mini bags lately, and I think it's just because I ideally don't carry a lot of things. I don't have a big wallet. I literally have a card slot. I carry like my phone, my keys, lip gloss, and that's about it. I'm not the type of person who likes to carry a lot of things, and I think that's why I did get this in the petite size. I would say my ideal purpose of getting this bag was to have it as an everyday bag, but I also don't really go anywhere that much lately. The only time I really go out is if I'm going to brunch, if I'm going out with friends, or to go grab drinks, and even then I don't like to carry a big bag. Just having a mini bag is a lot more convenient. I feel like if I were to travel somewhere or go on a longer road trip, then ideally I would like to bring this bag, or if I went into the office more often, then I would love to wear this. I still have zero regrets purchasing this bag. In my initial review, I thought I had it on the shortest strap, and I didn't. So now it's actually adjusted onto the shortest strap, and I'm about 5'2", and I'm so happy that I adjusted it because I like it sitting higher up. I hate when bags are too low. I'm not a fan of crossbodies. I'm not a fan of just bags that sit way too low or below the waist. I like having my purse somewhere above my torso. That's just me personally. So because I have not worn her very often, the color is pretty much the same still. I have taken such good care of this bag. I did wear her a lot when I first got her. I did. For the first few months, I put her to good use, but I would say the color is still the same. The leather hasn't faded or turned darker. Bottom of the bag is in excellent condition. I never really put my bags on the floor ever, but it just looks like I just purchased her. She's still in brand new condition after having her for a year. Now that I'm actually holding the bag, I kind of want to wear it out more often. So one of my complaints when I first got the bag was that the structure of the bag fell in as I had things in it, and I purchased a, what's it called? A purse organizer that was meant and stitched for the Petit Noe. I actually purchased it off of Etsy for $30. It's great, but I actually don't like having it in there. Let me go ahead and get the purse organizer real quickly. So this is the purse organizer felt bag, and I'll leave a link in the description below from the gal that I purchased it from, but it's really great quality, and here's what it looks like. I'll share with you what's currently in here, and I think it all really just comes down to personal preference on if you want it in the bag or not. I think if you're a girl who carries a lot and you don't want to get your bag ruined, you don't like the leather falling in like this, then this is for you. Initially I thought I would really want this, but now that I'm looking at the purse, I'm actually completely okay with the leather falling in and having kind of like that scrunched look, that bucket bag look, and I actually prefer it this way. And you might not, but if you do, I'll show you what it looks like with the purse organizer in there. I just felt like it was a little bit too chunky for my liking, so I took it out. This is the purse organizer. They're made to order, so you do get to pick like your color. Depending on the particular Noe, there's different measurements and different sizes, so I actually just use this kind of as everything that I swap out in my purses, I'll put in here, which is actually very helpful. I'll keep it on like my kitchen counter, so I have like the lipsticks that I wear the most, the wallets that I use the most, and as I switch out my bags, I'll just keep everything in here, and it makes it really helpful to not lose track of anything. Or, you know, if you switch a bag and you realize, oh, you left your favorite lip gloss in the other one, I'll just put everything in here, and if I ever switch, I'll just take it all out and put it back. So this one comes with like a slot right here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little openings, and then obviously you can just like dump whatever you want in here. Okay, so I don't have everything that I would normally carry in my purse in here, but just for example, I have like my mini Coach wallet. These are the type of wallets I carry. That's why I've been using mini bags. I have my travel wallet. This is a wallet that I use when I travel abroad to other states, if I have to carry a passport or like subway cards, stuff like that. If I have to carry cash in their currency, it's helpful to have a long wallet that carries cash versus a small wallet that won't. Some other things I have in here are like chapsticks, lip glosses, Airborne, lotion. So this isn't actually what I always carry in my purses or my bags, but it's just kind of what I have as far as stuff that I swap out. This is what the bag looks like with the organizer in there, and as you can see, it's just a lot boxier, it's a lot chunkier, and it's not my favorite thing in the world. I would just rather have the organizer out and let my things fumble around in there. And if the purse loses its shape or the leather falls in, I don't even care. I kind of like the style that way. I would say the biggest disadvantage to this bag is having to tie it up. Obviously, there's no zipper to keep your things secured. I would find that if I went shopping or whatever, or if I had my bag in the car, I would just kind of leave it open, and then I wouldn't tie it up until I was walking around in the store. So I would say that's the biggest disadvantage, is having to untie it all the time. It's not gonna lie, it's a pain in the butt, but really this purse is just so cute, so it almost makes it worth it. That's my only complaint about it. Obviously the leather is going to turn a darker color if you wear it more often, so that's something you should want to be aware of if you buy this bag. They do have the newer Noes. If you're not a fan of this particular color or print, it does come in different styles. I feel like this bag is usually sold out. I got really lucky. I found this one in store when I was visiting my sisters in another state, so I was actually looking for this bag and they didn't have it in stores anywhere in California. They were sold out online, so I think it might be available online. I'm not sure what the price is right now. I know Louis Vuitton is always kind of raising their prices. I would say altogether, in all truthfulness, I haven't been wearing this bag very much. Not because I don't like it, it hasn't been ideal for my everyday lifestyle, at least not yet. I definitely do think I will be bringing this bag out more, as I do have a couple of trips coming up and I would like to take it along with me. I would say the biggest disadvantage of this bag is, again, the tie, the self-tie. You do have to tie that up, and it doesn't really keep your things super secure if you don't do that every single time. The fading leather. The pros of this bag, after having it for a year, I think there's a lot of versatility. There's a lot you can do with this bag, and it is so sturdy. When I say you can feel the quality of this strap, it's meant to carry heavy things. So if you find yourself carrying a lot of items, I think this makes an everyday great bag. I think it's meant to last. I think it's a style that really won't go out. It's just a really timeless piece, in my opinion. So yeah, that's my 1 year update and review of the Louis Vuitton Petit Noe. Leave a comment down below if you have this bag, if you like it, or leave a comment below even if there's any questions that I didn't address in this video. I'm happy to answer them down below. Before you leave, please do give my channel a subscribe. It really does mean the world. I read each and every comment down below, so you all really do mean a lot to me. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you again very soon. Bye.